This video is the second part in a series I'm doing showing you the pickup scheduling option that we have. The first video was showing you how to set up the pickup schedule in the site settings, and this video is going to show you how to set them up on your auction. So to show you this, the first thing we're going to want to do is open up an auction. After having set up the pickup schedule, you'll have some new features that you'll have to sort out if you want to use the pickup scheduling. So I'm clicking into a new auction. I'm just going to make it a timed auction, and I'm going to load up a template to save some time. And then now you'll see a few different fields that are new at the bottom of the page. If you keep scrolling down, you have 4 new options that have been added onto the edit auction page, starting off with the show pickup date/times. If you tick this box, you'll be able to see the pickup schedule in the auction terms on the bid gallery. So this is obviously if you want your bidders to see the pickup schedule before the auction closes or before the invoices are generated or not. You can turn that on or off. And then of course the next 2 ones are the pickup start and end dates, which again use our calendar, and this will determine if you set up your pickup schedule like I have it running from Monday through Friday. If you have the start date be, so let's say the auction ends on the 29th, we'll have it start Monday week, click on done, and then if we have it set for 2 weeks, it won't be selecting all 14 days of the 2 weeks, just the days that you have using in your schedule, so in my case 10 days. Next up is the pickup schedule days. So this is the number of days from the invoice being created that a bidder can have access to the pickup schedule and make their own bookings. So for example, I have it set to 0. This means that the moment that the invoice is created, I'm allowing the bidders to be able to book their schedules. But if you generate your invoices on a Friday, select 3, that means that the bidders will be able to see their invoices, but they won't be able to make their pickup schedules until the Monday of the following week. So that's all the new options you have on the edit auction page once you have your pickup schedule set up. And then the last thing I want to show you is that you can set up a custom pickup schedule on an auction basis if you don't want to follow the pickup schedule that you've created on your website. And all you have to do is click on save on the auction, the page will reload, and then you'll have a new category at the top called pickup schedule. Just click into that, and then if you tick the box to allow for a custom pickup schedule, you can create your own schedule for this auction and this auction alone, and it's the exact same as the other form to set up the site-wide pickup schedule. Yep, just wanted to show you that as well. That's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching.